Now let's see the program menus belonging to TIA Portal program. Here we have one PLC. Now let's try to analyze all the menus one by one. Now I am on the device configuration tab belonging to my PLC and I want to analyze the device properties. Here you see the general properties. Under this menu I have project information. I can write down the information related to project such as name, author, commands, and etc. Here I can see catalog information belonging to my PLC. I can see version number, order number, and so on. Here I can see Ethernet connection configurations. I can make Ethernet address configurations here. Here I can analyze the inputs and outputs. I see that my PLC 14 digital inputs.